Tut Roofing Ad 3. Welcome to Tut Roofing. Protection from rain and sun.
Tut means full and newer.
Here at Tut Roofing we provide roofing services to the residents of Perth, Western Australia.
We do new tile roof installation, re-roofing, roofing additions, or roofing extensions, 40 degrees roof installation, leaking roof repairs, bedding, and repointing, roof restoration, roof renovation and gutter cleaning.
With over 12 years experience in roofing services, our professional team will give you the best quality workmanship guaranteed. For more information please visit tutroofing.com.au or call 0430551300. Tut Roofing 2020.
In the name of the Lord Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Amen.